everyday objects and wonder how you could make them more beautiful or how they could send you a message that will make you smile. Well, today we're going to do one of those projects. So I have a dish drying mat that we're going to put a saying on. The phrase is, "Blessed are those who do my dishes." And we've got just a simple dish drying mat in gray. And I have my Teflon sheet to help protect the covering of the. So I'm just going to line up my mat and my decal. Cover them with a Teflon pillow. And press at 300 degrees for 15 seconds. Hot peel or cold peel, doesn't matter. And now every time I'm in the kitchen or every time my kids or husband are in the dishes, they might want to do them a little more because now we'll have this beauty by the side of our sink.